Hi everybody, it's Els here from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I'm here to announce a fantastic and fun workshop that I'm going to do in participation with 3 different stores. Everything Scrapbook and Stamps, Michelle, Papercraft Clubhouse, Tracy, and Urban Papercrafter, Brooke. So you can sign up with any of those stores. So what we're going to do, we're going to work for 2 hours in the square TN that I have here. I'm going to show you in a little bit. It's going to be the 2nd of May from 12 till 2, Mountain Standard Time. We might go over a little bit because if we play, we might need some more time. And it's in a closed Facebook group. So sign up started already. And what you get for that class, so the stores are making fantastic kits for you. So what you get in the kit, and the kits are for the US. If you're outside of the US, you can also participate, but without the kit. And then it will be cheaper as well, of course. So what we're going to do, first of all, in the kit, you get either the ochre TN with the pocket on the front, or the black one with the pocket inside. So you can choose the color you want. Then you also get a fantastic kit that I will show you in here. And then you also all get, they will all be different, but you also get a stencil because we're going to do some stenciling, some stencil paste. So you all get a stencil as well, and they will all be different. So what the stores will do for you, so they will send you the kit. In that kit, they do a fantastic job cutting the kits. You get some watercolor images to watercolor as well. So this is just, you see some pages here. So you can really make a good start in your square TN. This is the black one, and this one is altered with acrylic paint. We're not going to do it in a class, but I will sure be glad to tell you how to do that. So again, the 2nd of May. Sign up now. You get the free TN in there, you get the stencil and the kits, so the paper, all the cut paper pieces, and some stamped images. So it will be fantastic. I'm really looking forward to it. So again, the 2nd of May from 12 till 2, Mountain Standard Time. Sign up with Everything Scrapbook and Stamps, Papercraft Clubhouse, or Urban Papercrafter. See you soon. Bye bye.